Hi, I've been asked, how do you make a grain mount from fine material? I've got this tin here. This is an old tobacco tin, and it's got material collected from a grease table from a diamond mine in 1949, and it's been in that tin ever since. And I can just want to make a thin section of the individual mineral phases. And to do that, first thing I do is get a piece of broken glass, piece of scrap glass, which I've frosted on one side, and then leave it on the hot plate to drive off any moisture. I left this tin on the hot plate as well, once again to drive off any moisture in this tin. Then I'm just going to get a scalpel. I'm using the back end of this bamboo skewer. I'm just going to put some material onto this now hot bit of glass and spread it out a bit. And that's it. And what I'm going to do now is, it's now all nice and hot, I'm just going to dribble some epoxy resin onto the slide and let it all basically diffuse through. You can see it's quite hot, it's steaming actually, it's probably a bit too hot. And this will stick the grains onto the actual glass slide and let capillary action draw that resin through. And I'll do that a fair bit so I know all the grains are now embedded in the resin, and I'll allow it to cure. That's probably curing quite fast because it's hot. And then I'll let it cool down slowly because I don't want it to crack. And I will now treat that block, that uppermost surface, as a piece of rock, and I would flatten it down to make a nice smooth surface, to which I would then apply a thin section and treat it as I would make a thin section normally. Okay, I'm now at the second stage. I have removed the tops of the mineral phases and the resin by using successively finer carborundum grits, starting with 80 down to 220 and finally 600. So I've now got a nice smooth surface onto which I can now apply a microscope slide to make the thin section. So get some resin and just place it on the actual sample. Be on the hot plate for 10 minutes to drive off any moisture. Then just slowly push the glass slide down, making sure there's no bubbles, and we allow that to cure. Probably take about 10 minutes, and just keeping an eye that no bubbles appear. If they do appear in the next couple of minutes, I just push them out. We're using a bamboo skewer. Make sure everything is no bubble free, and so when it's cured, it'll make a nice thin section.